Una good morning all of una wey dey lis ten to me today. My name na Williams Glory and I bring una the Open Heavens on the Go for Pidgin. The Open Heavens Devotional na daily message book wey the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, Pastor E.A Adeboye write. Today na Friday 19th of January 2024 and our topic for today na God Best Friend Part 1. Our memory verse for today dey James chapter 2 verse 23 and wetin dey write for God word come happen. Abraham believe wetin God talk and na that one make am good for God eye, so God come call am him friend. Our Bible reading for today dey Genesis chapter 18 verse 17 to 33 and na wetin e talk be this. God come tell Abraham, I go tell you wetin dey my mind. After all, Abraham go be plenty people papa and I go bless everybody because of am. I don choose am so that he go command his son and children say make dem obey me. Come do wetin dey good and correct. If dem obey me, I go do everything wey I promise am. Na so God come tell Abraham, dey cry because of Sodom and Gomorrah too much and their sins too plenty. I wan go there go see whether wetin I hear about them na true. Then the men leave Abraham come waka dey go Sodom. But Abraham come stay with Baba God. Abraham go meet Baba God come ask am, you wan really destroy those wey no do bad things with those people wey do bad things? What of if people wey dey fear you reach 50 for that town? You go still destroy the whole town? You no go because of 50 people leave the town? I know say you no go do that kind thing. You no go kill people wey dey good join the one wey dey bad. God come answer am, if I see 50 people for Sodom wey dey fear me, I go because of them no destroy the town. The Abraham come ask am again, my Baba God, abeg no vex say I too talk even though I just be ordinary dust. What of if na 5 no make am reach 50 nko? You go still destroy the town because 5 no make am reach 50? My Baba God come answer am, I no go destroy the town if I see 45 people wey dey fear me for there. Abraham ask am again, what if na 40 nko? God answer am, I no go destroy am because of 40. Then Abraham come ask am again, God, make you no vex o because I still wan talk. What of if there be 30 for there? God come answer am, I no go do am if I see 30 for there. Abraham come say, since I fit talk to you my Baba God, what of if there be only 20 for there nko? God answer, I no go destroy the town because of them. Abraham come say, my Baba God, abeg make you no vex for your servant o. What of if there be 10 wey dey fear you for the town? God come answer am, I no go destroy the town because of 10 people. After God talk to Abraham finish, God come go leave am. Then Abraham come go in house. Now the message. You fit surprise na to know say God get best friends. Baba God best friends dey very close to am wey be say dem know plenty things wey other people no know about am. There be people wey be say dem know am well because of their experience with am wey other people no get. Those kind people no dey like talk everything when dem know about am so that other people wey no know plenty things about am no go dey argue with dem. Abraham na one of Baba God best friend. He dey very close to Baba God wey be say Baba God come give am go ahead make e fit do anything wey better for this earth even though e no inform am wey be Baba God. We fit see that one for Genesis chapter 18 verse 17. Moses na another Baba God best friend. He dey very close to Baba God wey be say Baba God by himself come talk for Numbers chapter 12 verse 8 say him talk to Moses with word wey he fit understand and he see as God be. John the beloved na another man wey true we see say na Baba God best friend him be. Among everybody wey dey this life, Baba God choose only am make him reveal the things wey go happen if the world wan end. We fit see that one for Revelation chapter 1 verse 1. All these people dem get better relationship with Baba God and dem see some part of am wey other people never see before. God tell them some kind things wey be say they never tell anybody and dem make am change im mind for different reason. We fit see dat one for Genesis chapter 18 verse 24 to 32 and Exodus chapter 32 verse 9 to 14. E dey very clear say the better example na wetin we see for Jesus relationship with Peter, James and John when e bin dey dis earth, because dem bin dey with Jesus for the mountain when im body change and dem see im real beauty. We fit see dat one for Matthew chapter 17 verse 1 to 2 when e wan go wake Jairus daughter wey die. Na dis same 3 people in Allah make dem follow am, and na there dem take see im power to wake person wey don die. We see dat one for Mark chapter 5 verse 35 to 37. These 3 people dey very close to Jesus sotey dem see am for those times when e dey always cry for Garden of Gethsemane, give Baba God say make Baba God comot the cup of suffering wey dey im hand. We see dat one for Matthew chapter 26 verse 36 to 39. Na Jesus by himself tell dem say make dem come watch with am. These 3 people enjoy some better time with Jesus Christ wey nobody enjoy. Na very special honor and opportunity to be one of Baba God best friends. I wan believe say every born again go one day Baba God special inner circle of friends. So I go dey tell una wetin una go need if una wan be Baba God best friend for some days wey dey come so. Our word to remember be say how close una dey to God. I thank una as una lis ten to the Open Heavens on the Go for Pidgin. My name na Williams Glory. Make una enjoy the rest of una day o. Till we go meet again tomorrow. Una bye bye.
All the world forsake me and Satan tempt me sore. Through Jesus I shall safely reach the goal.